Did you just get a strange text from something calling itself the Arizona Ministry of Communications? If you did, stop right there, don't respond, don't click, and don't fall for it. This so-called ministry doesn't even exist, and the entire message is part of a rising scam trend that's been targeting Arizona residents lately. According to Attorney General Chris Mays, scammers are now using fake agency names that sound official to trick people into revealing personal details or even sending money. Some of these texts claim to come from real departments like the Arizona Department of Transportation, Arizona DOT, warning you about supposed problems with your driver's license, outstanding traffic fines, or other urgent legal matters. Then they direct you to suspicious links or ask for payment through gift cards or sketchy websites, huge red flags for fraud. These messages are getting increasingly sophisticated, often using logos, official-sounding language, and fake case numbers to make them seem authentic. The scary part? They're designed to pressure you into acting fast before you have time to think. But don't be fooled. Real government agencies will never contact you out of the blue via text message, demanding payments or sensitive personal information. They don't ask for gift cards, and they don't use fear tactics. If you get one of these messages, do not engage, delete it immediately, and report it to the Arizona Attorney General's office or the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Even if you didn't click or respond, reporting helps stop the scam from spreading to others. These types of frauds are becoming more common, so awareness is your best protection. Stay sharp, question anything that feels off, and remember, just because it looks official doesn't mean it's real.